At the primary school level itself, in the first 5 years of schooling, the education system has to be completely revamped in this country, in my opinion. It is inappropriate and useless. And one of the first things that children should be taught is about water body and air pollution. All this throwing into your own fresh water is like poisoning our own stomach. That much common sense our children should have at the primary level. So that we have good water to drink, and at least future generations don't have to suffer the consequences. And it starts with education and only education. School education. At that level, children's minds are fresh and open to ideas. They understand also that throwing chicken waste, shit, plastic, everything into water, drinking water, is not intelligence. It's a sign of complete disconnect from the nature, ecology, everything, and far removed from our traditional Indian reverence for water bodies, which you can see there. So this attitude of reverence has to be encouraged, and then even if you don't even have to bring science into the picture, you can add the scientific part about pollution and all these things, but also cultivating an attitude of reverence towards natural resources, nature, water, elements, plants and all will make all this into a deadly sin. So cultural reinforcement and reinvigoration, scientific temper also, side by side we need both. It's not that you want to become scientific and then lose the reverence for nature, like what happened in the West. We have to have both hand in hand, scientific investigation and then study. For along with that, cultural values, what our Hindu and our Bharatiya civilization has stressed from prehistoric times, that is the Sanatana, the eternal wisdom, that also should be given its rightful place, not insulted and called superstition and all. It's not superstition, it's a very advanced thinking of our ancestors. So ecology, scientific temper, cultural attitudes and traditions, what is there in the indigenous cultures. There is no question of domination of nature here. You want to go along with nature, you want to respect and worship the nature and all natural resources, not dominate it. That is the conclusion.